What's cracking, guys? DLS 26 will not be the same anymore because I have the free gems and free coins, and I will show you how you can get them on your very own. This process won't take longer than 3 or 4 minutes of your time, and it will all be worth it because you will be just filthy rich in DLS 26. So let me show you how. Will we see a change in DLS 26? And yes, sir, we will see the change itself for free gems and free coins in DLS 26, just like that, guys. You will get it if you stick till the end of this tutorial. But before we start any process, make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. That being said, open up any browser but search for appspetched.com. Because right there on the third row, boom, DLS 26. Tap on the icon, wait for it to load up, select all of the resources. But before that, you can enter your username, select the platform that you are on, and generate the resource themselves. So you can see the live activity right here, guys. People going absolutely crazy. I mean, who wouldn't for something that you can get for absolutely free? And now we're one step closer to it. Continue to verification. You can watch the step-by-step tutorial for that last step. It is important for this one. But basically, your boy will still guide you through it. So you will have two options with it. The first one will be to complete 2 questionnaires, which will ask you some simple questions, fill out the specifics, and that is how you verify your mobile device. Or you can go ahead and download 2 apps from the official App Store Google Play Store. Not only download them, but also do what it says from you in the description. So for example, you'll need to, Travel Town Adventure, install and complete level 9. So just make sure to follow them up, complete what it says from you in the description, and that is how you complete the whole process and get your DLS 26 free gems and free coins. So as mentioned, the questionnaires will be faster. The apps would take a little bit of time, but both of them work. Just choose between one of them, and that is how you complete it. Thank you so much for watching, fellas. I hope everything was useful for you as it was for me. If you have further questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.